This is the Vivo V9. It's the official smartphone for FIFA World Cup Russia in 2018. We've got nothing to do today, so let's just unbox it. Okay, so we've got the usual accessories here: the earphone, the power cord, and of course that thing. This unit came with its own case, and of course the one that actually is for the SIM. So we're gonna take it out first, if we can. Now, I like the metal form factor, the metal bag. It's pretty light. I already noticed the camera, and when we started it up, it took a while. So just like the other Vivo phones, it uses a FunTouch OS, and we've got to elect a fingerprint for the security. And you can also use 2 fingers. You just add the profile to unlock. You can also use your face, and it's got a lot of options on the camera. Pretty cool.